In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Facebook Marketplace with ease. Whether you're looking to browse Facebook Marketplace in a different language, or perhaps you've accidentally found yourself in the wrong language setting, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's start by opening Facebook. If you're using a desktop or a mobile browser, simply type in facebook.com and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. After you click the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings and Privacy option. It will open up further options to adjust your account settings, which is exactly where we need to be. Now locate and click on the language option in the settings menu. This is your next step towards accessing the language settings for your Facebook interface. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a section labeled Facebook Language. Click on that to continue. Here is where you can really customize things to your liking. You'll see a list of available languages. If you're searching for a specific language, such as Japanese, you can start typing the name in the search bar. Once you've found your desired language, click to select it. This will change the language for your Facebook account, including most areas such as the news feed and notifications. For those of you who want to specifically change the language for Facebook Marketplace, let's keep going. Head over to the Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon or accessing it from the Facebook main menu if it's visible. On the Marketplace page, look to the left-hand side where you will find a location option. Click on it to open your Marketplace location settings. In this section, you will be able to choose the country you want your marketplace to reflect. Changing the country can help in altering the localized language settings used within the marketplace. Once you've chosen your preferred country, click Done to save these changes. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your language settings on Facebook and within the Facebook Marketplace specifically. Now you can enjoy browsing in a language that suits you best. Whether you're checking out the latest deals or posting items to sell, remember these settings can be altered at any time by following these steps, making it a simple process should you ever need to make changes again. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing on Facebook Marketplace.